Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Sorry, people. Sorry to keep you on a hold for a minute. I went to washroom. Yeah, yeah. Tell me. Someone was asking the question. Someone was asking the question. Okay. Now I believe everyone of you have fired this command at your. Everyone of you have fired this command at your.
Yes. Yeah.
So
Yes. Yeah.
Abhinandan, I'm getting it as like rollback failed optional.
Sorry, which one? Sorry, which one?
No, when I use this command, I'm getting it as rollback failed optional verb npm -session or something like that.
Just a second, Gajalakshmi. Could you please share the screen? Could you please share the screen? I'll give the. Just a second. Just a second.
Node.js has to be installed, right?
Has to be installed. Yes, Deepak. Yes, Deepak. Without that, you can't do anything.
Oh.
Gajalakshmi, you can share the screen now.
Yeah, I'm sharing.
Gajalakshmi, you have to install the proxy at your end. So it is happening because of proxy.
Okay. How do we do that?
Because of proxy.
Okay.
That there is a command you have to use. npm proxy config. Proxy. This is like if I'll ping you the command, is it fine?
Yes. That should help.
I have shared this one.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. No, you have to provide your proxy details.
Okay. So npm config
set proxy.
set and I'll have to just copy this, right?
That http proxy.com. That one is correct. You have to use hello. You have to use that set proxy followed by your proxy detail.
Is this correct?
Yes.
So now I can use the other command, right? This one,
yes.
npm install -.
Yes. Now you can go for this.
Yeah, Abhinand, I have a question here. I remember I've already done this.
Yes, Vidya. Yes,
Sorry,
tell
go
me.
ahead.
Yeah, I'm responding to you only. Yeah, tell me.
Okay, so this npm install I've already done some time back. So how will I check that, or I can rerun that one? Few days
config
back, I
one.
remember I did it. No, 9 p.m. install.
Okay. So what you can do, Vidya, you can go to the your current user inside the C drive.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So inside the C drive, right, you will find out users. Inside the users, you will get your current user. If your laptop is having multiple user details, right, you have to pick the appropriate one. Have you reached that? Have you reached there?
No, no. Hold on, I'm still taking
I think
it.
it's
Okay.
my voice is echoing, right?
Yeah.
I think, Gajalakshmi, I think from your end only it's echoing.
Is it? Let me mute.
Gajalakshmi, can you use a headphone?
I'm using headphones only.
Okay. Okay, no worries. Fine. Vidya,
Yes,
C drive
Abhinav, yeah.
users, current users.
Okay.
Inside, once you'll enter
Okay.
into the current users, right? Do one thing. There you will find out view ribbon, correct? Click to the view. Check to hidden files.
Okay. Current users view.
No. You have
Hidden.
to go to the C drive, users, current user, open the current user folder. After opening this current user folder, right?
Yeah.
After opening this current user folder, right? There you will find out view ribbon on top. Did you get that?
Correct.
View menu installed.
Yes.
Click to that view menu, and there you will get an option called hidden files checkbox.
Correct. I checked that one.
You check that, then you can find out app data folder.
Correct. App data. Yeah.
Inside the app data, you will find out npm over there.
Yeah. Roaming npm.
Roaming, inside the roaming, you will find out npm. Okay.
I see npm cache, but not npm.
You're not able to see npm. So that means in your laptop they configured the location node library location somewhere else. I think so.
Okay. But is that okay if I again run the CLI command again?
That is not going to impact. Okay. Anyways.
Okay. So in the terminal, in which location we did run this npm? In any of the location, right?
You can use anything. No worries for that.
Okay.
So one quick confirmation here. So even though you have installed here, so it will create one more inside the terminal. It will create one more folder. So inside the folder, if you run this Angular CLI command, so it won't create any issue, right?
Updated one. It will install the updated one.
Okay.
Now at the time of installation,
Updated.
right, whichever is the latest available one, it will install that. That's it.
So,
Just
so already, so if you want to work on existing folders, you have to go back to the previous folder. You can do, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Gajalakshmi, I think your proxy is not set properly, or something is missed out.
Okay, the proxy should
Anyone
be
of you could
HTTP
please
or
help
HTTPS.
her for the same?
I think HTTPS.
HTTPS is it?
You have set that HTTPS also. Yeah,
Yeah, let me try for the last time.
No. He's saying HTTPS, then check out this.
Okay, 1 second.
Because I have given both.
No, it's the same again. Even for HTTPS also it's the same.
Okay. No issues. Just I think while providing right, it may be a typo.
No problem, Abhinandan. You can continue. I'll stop sharing it. I'll
Okay,
check what
Gajalakshmi, can you do one thing? Just a second. Any one of you have configured this? Is it working at your end?
Is it working at your end?
Or she has to use something else, proxy settings, proxy URL.
Settings, proxy URL.
So any one of you could you please help us over here?
So any of you could please help us over here?
Abhinandan, no issues. I'll check what can be done from my end. You can proceed. I'll stop sharing my screen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now we will have a look over here at my end. Here, right? The Angular 10.1.1 is installed. Okay, so at the end you will get successfully installed these many packages and all. It will show you, but still we want to confirm whether this Angular is installed properly or not. Okay, so for that purpose we'll just fire ng, type ng, and if it is showing the available commands, correct? If it is showing available commands, it means your Angular is installed. It means your Angular is installed. ng --, version, if we'll fire, so it will give you the complete Angular versioning details. Which Angular CLI version we are using, node version, operating system, right? All these details, it will give it to you. Clear? Shortcut for the version will be ng space v.
And then I'm getting ng is not recognized as a command.
Just a
Any
second.
extra thing?
Deepak, installation, is it done at your end, Deepak?
Yes, Vinand, it's done. So npm install work.
Okay, just a second, Deepak. No worries, I will help you over here. Deepak, could you please share the screen now? You are the presenter.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, Deepak. Okay, Deepak, now can you do one thing? Could you please open the command prompt?
Okay.
For the same location. Now here, no, that is fine, Deepak. Deepak, just type ng
Okay.
over here. Later you can move to the location.
Okay.
Press enter. Still it is here also, right? It's not showing, it is recognizing it. No worries. Deepak, could you please go to the C drive? No, you have to open. Hello. Deepak, you have to open the folders.
Okay.
Go to the users. Current user. app data. You are not able to see app data. No issues. Click to
I'll
view.
just view, right? Yeah, hidden files.
Click to view. There you can find out an option. This one, correct. Hidden items. So now open the app data. roaming, npm. Deepak, you install it locally, Deepak.
Okay. So how do I install?
If you have, just a second. Go to the command prompt. Go to the Visual Studio Code.
Okay.
Just press up arrow key. Let me look into this command. Yes, you install locally only. So now here what you
Okay.
can do, provide a space, give a space,
Yes, is it?
-G. Have you given a space right over there? Yeah, fine. No issues. Now press enter. So Deepak, what it will do, once you will complete this global installation, right? This would be the location where you will find out all your Angular CLI contents.
Okay.
That npm folder we have opened. If you go to that folder, right, you will see few files are generated over there. Files and folders.
Oh, yeah.
Node
Node
modules. You
modules.
can go to the node modules inside this. Could you please open that? There you can see that @Angular.
Okay.
See dot staging, it's showing that dot staging, it's showing over there. If we'll go back now, there is buffering is going on for the Angular
Okay.
CLI. Okay. So if we'll come inside the npm folder, right? npm folder. So after this, right, it will show you the Angular CLI, files over there. So that will be a confirmation to you that it is installed globally. Got the point?
Oh, sure.
Now it's done. Now you can see this ng command over there, correct?
Yeah. Okay. Now it will, I think, identify, right?
Yes. Now type ng. Just type ngv.
I think I need to
No worries.
close and
Now, no. Just a second. I'll tell you. Because this parameter, right, we can't update the. Open the command prompt.
okay.
Type the same command ngv space v. Here it's working, right? For this, right, to sort out this one, we have to set a security flag. Okay. Some security
Okay.
flag. I forgot that name. Just a second. That execution policy. Deepak, sorry, just by mistake it went to.
Here they have given a link. Is this the one you're looking for?
Just a second. Deepak, I have shared a command with you. Okay. Could you please
Okay.
copy it from the chat?
Okay, where is the chat now?
What happened? You're not
So
able to find out the
Abhinandan,
chat.
even
Yeah, I'm able to find that. But I didn't get any link command. This one, okay. This is the command. Is it?
I have provided set execution policy unrestricted -scope current user.
Okay.
You got it right? Yeah.
Yes.
Now you can fire that ngv.
Mhm.
It's recognizing now.
Yes, it's recognizing. Thanks, Abhinandan.
Okay. Yes. Umesh, you were saying something?
Yeah, Abhinandan. Even I am not able. Yeah, Abhinandan. Even I am
No
not
worries,
able.
no worries, people. One by one, I will help you. Don't worry.
One by one, I will help
Now,
you.
at your end, this thing is sorted, right?
Now, at your end, this is sorted, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Abhinandan,
I
mine is
think.
sorted.
Others, please go on mute.
Abhinandan, mine is sorted.
Others, please go on mute.
Okay. Deepak, could you please stop the sharing now? Umesh, I'm giving you the access. Just a second.
Umesh,
Umesh, you can share the screen now. You're installing Node now. Umesh, unless and until your
Yeah,
Node
it's-
installation is not completed, right? Till that time, this command won't work. npm install.
I think that is installed, completed.
Okay.
Abhinandan.
No, some installation is going on. This one is for MongoDB.
Yeah, that's for MongoDB.
Okay, then that is fine. That is fine. So just a second. npm is not recognized. Okay. Umesh, I have shared one set execution policy stuff, correct, in a chat.
Yep.
Can you find out? Yeah. Could you please copy
Yes.
that, Umesh?
Mm-hmm.
And yes, can you just paste it here? Yes. Now can you fire that npm command? Okay, no worries. Do one thing. Open the command prompt.
Abhinandan, is it npm install and then -g and then we have to give the Angular, right? Or
Yes.
it could be the
The
SB also.
-g you can place it at the end as well, Mati. No problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So here you can type npm or nodes npm. Just type npm. Press enter. Here also it is not able to recognize it. Okay, type node node.
Even that was not recognized.
Okay, so no issues. Are you using Fidelity machine or your personal laptop?
I'm using Fidelity machine.
Fidelity machine. Okay,
Huh?
no worries. So could you please click to the start button?
Mm-hmm.
Type environment. Here you have to find out environmental variables for your account. Okay, for your account. For the specific account, right, we can set the environmental variables, right? Don't go for the global one. Hello.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Click over here. Open it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, fine. Now do one thing. Open C drive. Go to the users. Your current user. You have to find out
Okay.
APB data. It's not visible. APB data is there at the end.
This one only.
Yes, this one only.
Mm-hmm.
Roaming.
Roaming. Mm-hmm.
Then you can find out npm folder, right?
Yes.
Just copy this path. I think your node is not installed. Umesh, can you? Okay, I'll just work with this setting. Okay, if it is not going to work out, right? I think your node is not
Okay.
installed properly. I think so.
Okay.
So otherwise, you can download a zip version. Okay, you'll get a zip version for the same. I will help you for that. Don't worry. Now, because it is not able to recognize this npm path. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Could you please copy this command? Sorry, copy this path.
Yeah, copy it.
Now could you please
Should
go
I?
to that environmental variable?
Okay.
Now can you go to the path? No, select the path. path variable is there, na? Path variable. Move up. There you can find out path, right? Fourth one. Now click on edit. Click to new. It's already added, Umesh.
This one, right? Roaming
This
NPM.
one only. We took this path only, right?
Yep.
This one is added, but the problem is your node is not installed properly. Okay. So could you please do
Okay.
one thing? Could you please install it again if you have the elevated access?
Yeah, I'll just do that.
Otherwise, Umesh, what you need to do, you have to download a zip, okay, for this, and you can deal with the zip. No worries for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let me try downloading and I'll get back to you. Is that fine?
Yes, Umesh. Yes,
All right.
definitely. No worries.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, I'll
Sure.
just continue with the others. Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Sure. Thank you.
Whatever the status is there, whether is it succeeded or not, please let me know once you're done with this. Fine. Yeah. Anyone else is facing the problem? Please let me know.
Abhinandan, Shilpa here. I have one question.
Yes, Shilpa, tell me.
Yeah. So just now, like we did install 10.1, this 10 version. So can we again reinstall 7 or 8 whenever required globally? So that would work.
Not globally.
Or
Say if you want to downgrade the global version, right, Shilpa, you have to remove the existing one, okay, and then you can go for the lower version. Got the point?
okay. And how do we do that? Like removing a version?
Uninstall. You can go ahead. Instead of install word, right, Shilpa, you have to provide uninstall word.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. Instead of install, right, the command would be the same. Okay. Command is same. There is nothing is changed except only one change. Instead of install, right, we have to specify uninstall. That's it.
So it would be npm uninstall, then same thing.
-G Angular CLI. True. Otherwise,
okay, yeah.
Shilpa, have you observed? I have shown, right, that you know how to go to that npm folder also. That APB data wala path. Right.
Yeah.
So you can go over there. You can go over there manually inside the node modules. You can shift delete the @Angular CLI also from there. Come outside.
Okay.
You can delete that ng files also, right? So when you fire that uninstall command, right, manually it's going to shift delete those files and folders only.
Okay. So it's possible to upgrade a version, but not a downgrade.
Java, right? Shilpa, just a second. In Java, right, if you go to the .m2 folder, sometimes particular jar is not downloaded. You will go to that specific path and you will shift delete, right? And again, whenever you'll use in a project, right, Maven will download it for you. Agree? So that in the same way, right, instead of doing it via command, right, you can go manually and you can shift delete it. Okay, that one is going to work. That one is also fine.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. So next point. People, now we have worked Angular CLI installation. We are done with this. The next command. The next command will be ng new project name. So here it is used to create Angular CLI best project. Okay, in this ng new project name. ng stands for Angular. New stands for, or it's a command will inform CLI to create the Angular project. Project name will be the name of the project. People, are you clear with this command or not?
Yeah.
Now, ng new.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the 399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Project name is, let's say, dev connector. ng new dev connector. Press enter. Here, it's going to ask about the, do you want to add the Angular routing? We will say yes for the same. What is the use of this routing and all, right? You will get to know in the post lunch part. Fine, everyone. Then for the formatting purpose, right? Do we need CSS? Yes, we do. So I'll just press enter for the same. And after this, it's going to start creating your complete project structure. All of you clear with this or not? What is the first thing what we need to do? Here, we'll fire which command? ng new project name.
Dev connect.
In this case, I have already told you, ng stands for Angular. New will inform CLI to create a new project, followed by project name. That is nothing but your name of the project. Clear? Then here it will ask about the routing. We will say yes for it. And it will ask about the which type of style sheets we want to use it. We'll prefer CSS. Clear, everyone? So after this, right, if you'll observe, this CLI command, is it going to create your complete project structure or not? Right? And people are able to see this different folder icons, right? It is because of what? It is because of that one theme module we have installed, right? Hello?
Yeah, the material icon theme.
Material icon theme, right? So it's because of that.
Abhinandan, can you show the command once again, please?
Yeah, Deepak, just a second. This is the command. All of you are able to create the project, right? Any problems for the same? Please let me know.
To do SCS, right? For both?
No, CSS only, not SCSS, only CSS, the first option.
Okay, sure.
I can see the packages getting created, but I don't see the folder on towards my left. Or maybe I'm in a different folder, but
Just a second. Vidya, could you please do one thing? Can you just wait to complete this installation part? After that, if I'll give the presenter access, is it fine?
Sure, yeah.
Because see, for example, let's say I'm inside my SCPT folder, correct? Fidelity recordings, let's say SCPT folder, right? So inside this, right? Correct. So what you need to do over this same location, you can take one more PowerShell window just by clicking on this plus.
Okay.
You will find out this location, right? So inside this location, right, your project directory or the project structuring, you will get it.
Okay.
So this one will give you the confirmation where your project is created. Okay. Yes. Anyone else is facing the problem? Please let me know. Purnima, Jyoti, Karthik, Raghu, Suresh. Suresh, Raj, Kiran. Suresh, which one is your first name?
It's Kiran.
It's Kiran. Sorry for that. Kiran is done, right?
No problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's done.
Okay.
Actually, it's the dev connector that we need to do it. Is it? Could you please scroll top? I missed the command. Yeah.
Just a second. This command, right? You're talking about project creation, na?
Yeah. Engineer token. Yeah, I got it. Yeah,
Yes.
I have it.
People, when you will miss something, right? Please do let me know. I will help you for the same. Okay. Could you please run
So
this
this is
Node.exe?
yeah, I just
Leave it. Just minimize it.
okay. Okay.
So now open the command prompt. Now type now type node space -v. This is the one which you have downloaded.
Yes.
Confirm, na?
You can just check here, right?
No worries. No worries.
Yeah.
That is fine. Okay. Now do one thing. Now you can fire the regular one. npm install npm space I.
Should I do in the command prompt or in the
Anywhere doesn't matter.
Okay, I'm just fire here.
npm
Shall I
space.
just check if node is working here?
You can check that.
See, it still says not recognized. Is it that I have to go to that particular path or something?
Yes, you have to set the path. The way we will set the Java environment path, right? In the same way, can you set it?
Okay.
Umesh, whatever the steps that we follow, right? The same path, environment now you will use this extracted path, correct? So just this path, add it over there. That is fair enough.
Okay. This part should be fine, right?
Abhinandan, sorry to interrupt.
Yes,
I think this could be some access issue. Abhinandan, can you hear me?
Yes, Kiran.
Hello.
Yes, Kiran, you're audible.
Yeah, this could be some access. Yeah, I can provide him over is facing the issue. I can provide a set of commands that can be run from our end and check after that if it works. He could do that because there's a set of proxies that has been set.
That is fine.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Kiran, hello. Sorry, Kiran, are you sharing it now?
I can ping him. I can ping him in Teams here, or I can provide it here. Not a problem. Yeah.
No. These are the proxy settings, right? Company specific things are there, right?
Correct.
So don't Kiran, don't provide here. You please explicitly write. You ping him, okay, and you can help him to do that one.
Sure.
Okay. Umesh, is it fine? Kiran is going to help you for the same.
Sure, Abhi.
So that
Thanks,
the
Kiran.
things will
Can you
work
please
at
ping
your
me,
end
Kiran?
properly. Because Umesh, the problem is your specific environment things, right? They are not with me. Okay, these things are not with me. That is the main reason.
Okay. Got it. Abhi. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so people, can we move to the next? All of you are back. Good to go.
Yes, Abhi. Yeah.
Let me
Yes,
share
Abhi.
my screen. Okay. Now, well, if you'll observe, our project creation is done. Correct. our project creation is done. I'll just fire a CLS command. Now people tell me, what is our project folder name, people? Dev connector. And I'm on this I'm inside the parent folder. Agree?
Yeah.
I'm inside the parent folder, right? So I need to move to the CD via CD. Now I'm referring my project location. Everyone, can you just type CD dev connector or CD project name, and can you go inside the project?
Yeah.
Okay, done. After this, what do you need to do now? Here, I'll type ng serve space -o. This command I'm supposed to fire. Okay, but here I'll write the description for this. The command again I'm typing ng serve space -o. Now this, what is the purpose of this command? This is used to start your Angular application. Now in this case, write ng, sorry, my mistake. I'll give the clarity regarding each and every field. ng stands for Angular as usual. Serve, this flag is used to inform that please start the application. -o is used to inform that please open, sorry, once project build is done, then open the project over the browser. Well, are you getting my point? So here when you provide this -o flag, right? So what this -o will do? This -o will instruct the Angular, because once the building of this project building is done, right? You only open this project over the browser. I will not do anything. Is it clear or not? So for that purpose, right, I'll just fire this command. I've just fired this command. Now people here, it started transforming the stuff. Okay. Now during this transformation, right, it will take care about converting your TypeScript stuff to JavaScript. We'll have the detailed discussion after 10-15 minutes. Okay. Now people tell me here, did I open the browser tab and did I mention localhost :4200? I have not done that.
No.
Agree? I have not done that. Implicitly, is it opened or not? This thing is done. This thing is done because of which flag? This thing is done because of -o. Now you can have a look over here. Angular Live Development Server is listening on the localhost 4200. Open your browser on a localhost :4200. So this opening part, right, it's done by whom? It's done by the Angular itself. Clear? Could you please fire the same command at your end, and can you confirm it's working or not?
It's working.
What about this?
It's working.
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah. Okay, good. People, we got the clarity how to install the CLI, how to create a new project, and how to start the project. Now we need to understand. Now here I'll come up with my actual agenda part now. Installing Angular, creating an Angular project, right? We're done with this. Now we'll start discussing the basic fundamental aspects. Now for these fundamental aspects, right, I'll start the discussion with the first question. What do you mean by a framework and what do you mean by a library? Third point over here will be difference between framework and the library. Any one of you, could you please tell me?
Abhi, my project, whatever I knew I created, it is not successful. I did it in the comment prompt. It has thrown some exceptions.
Just a second. Sudhindra, I'll give you the remote access. Sorry, I'll give the presenter access. Just a second.
Yeah, sure.
Sudhindra, you can share the screen now.
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, Sudhindra.
So this error I got.
Just a second. Let me just submit. It is not able to. There is some permission issue, Sudhindra.
Okay. Proxies and all I have set actually.
You have set it. That is true. I'm not denying that. But here, it is not allowing to staging TypeScript. Okay. Sudhindra, you have set the proxy, correct?
Yeah, I have set.
Okay. Okay. Could you please just move up?
Yeah.
Where you fired that command, right?
New package, that one. Yeah.
Not just no. That ngserve command you fired, right, Sudhindra?
Yeah. Yeah.
Was
Yeah.
saying something tarball. Just a second. Just move up. Move up. Move up. You fired the ngserve command, right? Please. Or just a second.
I will just show you
Just
the
wait.
command.
Here only.
Yeah.
You're 10.1.1. Okay. No issues. Just scroll down. Just scroll down.
Okay.
Instrument packages info work. Just a second. Just wait. Just hold on for a second over here.
Yeah.
Okay. Sudhindra, can you do one thing? In this case, right? Could you please go to the project location?
Yeah. Sure.
No. Open the folder directly at your end.
Yeah. Yeah.
There, are you able to see node modules folder, right? Second folder.
No. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Shift deleted. Shift deleted. Go back. Go back.
Full.
Yeah. Shift delete.
Yeah.
Okay. Now go to the command prompt where you fired that command. Nah? Just press enter. Directly press enter. It will take you to the command prompt directly.
I need to run the command again.
Yeah, no, not that one. I'll tell you. I'll just tell you. I want to see the command prompt. Okay, that C:/ something, right? That I want to see. Could you please just scroll down? Can you just go to the end?
Yeah, I'm at the end.
Yes. So now here, type npm space I.
npm space I.
Yes. So what we are going to do now? So here, right, internally it is not able to find out. Internally, it is not able to install it. Correct.
Yeah.
So now what are we doing? Now here, explicitly we fired the command. Okay. To install all the node modules. Is it clear? It got interrupted, correct? It got some interruption.
Yes.
So now what I did, your proxy is working now.
Explicitly we are installing. Yeah. Yeah. It is getting all the modules.
And now it's getting all the modules. I agree. So after this, right, it will work.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So again, same command I have to run, right? New ng new and the project name.
Serve space -o. That is fair enough.
Okay. Okay. I will.
Sundar, I'm sharing my screen now. Thank you.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. Now we'll have a look over here. So here I need to start this discussion. Okay. For this, here I have some points. First thing is, what do you mean by a library? What do you mean by a framework? And difference. Okay. So any one of you, could you please tell me what do you mean by a library?
Library could be a set of APIs or set of interfaces which we can use. Framework is something with the architecture.
So when we'll talk about the library, right? Library will have only the functionalities. So as and when required, we will use the libraries, agree? And when we'll talk about the frameworks, right? Frameworks are the implementation of an architecture. So now when I'm going to say Angular, it's a framework, right? Then Angular is going to follow some architecture. Correct, everyone? Yes or no? When I will say Angular, it's a framework, then this Angular will follow some architecture or not?
Yeah.
Now, when you will say Angular is going to follow an architecture, this architecture, it's going to follow internally MVC architecture. Is there need to explain what do you mean by an MVC? All of you are aware about MVC architecture or not? People, please let me know.
Yes.
Yes.
We are aware.
Okay. Yes, Maltesh?
No, I don't see.
Okay. Yeah. So now, okay, we got to know what is library, what is framework. Now, people, could you please tell me what are the differences are there? Cypress, I'm not getting the following error. Can't load it because running script is disabled on the system. Yes, people. What is the? Could you please tell me the differences? When you deal with the libraries, right? Here, the entire workflow for your application, you have to manage. Generic work also, right? We have to manage. But when we deal with the framework, right? Framework will take care about it or not.
Correct. Yeah.
General workflows, right? General workflows will be handled by the frameworks, but when we deal with the libraries, right, we have to take care. Now, in library-based work, right, what do you think? Where you'll get a good performance? With the library-based work or with the framework-based work? Yes, people. What about the performance? Okay. So Maxim, all of you worked in Java, right? Since you worked in Java, I'll ask the question from the Java base. Is it fine? Anyone is there? Just a second. Anyone is there who didn't work in Java?
I'm
Do we
.NET
have
developer.
anyone?
Deepak.
Deepak, you're from the .NET. Okay, that is fine. What? Anyone else? Rest all from Java. Okay. So, Deepak, if you worked in a .NET also, right? Deepak, in a .NET also, right? You will get some DLL libraries. You will use it, correct? Am I right? In .NET, right? You will get in Java, right? You will get the jars. In .NET, you will get the DLL, right?
Yes, Abhi.
Yeah, yeah. I worked in a .NET quite long back. Okay, but still, I need to confirm the things with you.
No,
Because
I can relate it with Java, but
you can relate,
like if there is any doubts, I'll ask.
okay, definitely, no problem. See, now people tell me when you will work with the JDBC, right? And dealing with Hibernate. Now people tell me performance-wise, which one is faster?
Actually, the framework has to be faster.
Which one? JD? Hello?
Hibernate has to be faster.
Performance-wise. Yes, anyone? People, Hibernate is built on top of JDBC. Agree with this?
Yes.
Hibernate is built on top of JDBC, right? It's a wrapper. Internally inside the this Hibernate, right? JDBC is working. So performance-wise, if we'll see, if we'll talk about, if we'll talk from the performance perspective, right? JDBC is faster, and development perspective, if we'll talk, Hibernate is a good option. People, did you get the point or not? Performance-wise, if we'll talk, JDBC is faster. And if we'll talk from the Hibernate perspective, right? If you are expecting faster development, framework is the best option. Is it clear or not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Now, in the same way, when you'll deal with the Angular, right? Majority will come across with the React and Angular. Performance-wise, if you'll think, React is fastest one, okay? compared with the.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.